This is TECNO SPARK GO 2022, and today I would like to show how you can add an event to calendar on this device. So to start, find and launch the default calendar app. On this phone it happens to be the Google Calendar, unless you have manually changed it to be some other app. But regardless of the app that you use, the procedure should be the same. You gotta firstly select the date that you would like to set an event on. So let's say I'll go with the 10th of May. Then hit the plus button to your bottom right, choose an event option from the list, and fill out all the required and optional fields that you'd like to, or event details to put it in more apparent or obvious words, such as the title of this event, the time frames that it will occur between or inside, repetitiveness or reoccurrence. You can also invite some other participants to share this event and to have it in their calendars as well, to synchronize it with them. Then you can add the link to the video conference, set the location if necessary, set up your notification/reminding preferences for this event, pick some color for this event to represent, and so you will be better able to tell it apart from other holidays and celebrations that your calendar might have. Then you can write the description or attach some file, then hit the save button, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.